You know what it is! It's Taco Tuesday!
Welcome to BRFamTv. My name is Joey. This is the Cook Up, the very first episode. We are going to be cooking food weekly, showing you simple, easy dishes. Hopefully you guys enjoy. My wife Maya will be cooking and you will see her on camera as well. So today we're making tacos. So hopefully you guys learn a few things, or if you already know, comment in the comment section. If you are new, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and those that are faithful smashers and watchers, make sure you smash that like button and get ready to enjoy this video.
Hey guys, it's me, Maya. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some easy tacos, fast, quick, and something to give your kids. If you're in a hurry, it's easy and it's quick, so let's get to it. So what you do first is you put a little bit of oil in the pan because you want to kind of oil it up. I use vegetable oil, but you can use any kind of oil you want. You can use coconut oil, you can use coconut spray, whatever, olive oil, and then you want to put some cilantro and chopped green onions, but make sure you wash your hands first. I washed my hands already for all you haters out there. I'm going to mix it, make it a little bit cooked, a little bit fried. Let the oil saute inside of the vegetables that you added. So when you get all the the vegetable oil onto the cilantro and the green onion for the flavors to come out, you're gonna want to grab your meat. The kind of meat that I use is chopped up carne asada, which is like a beef steak, but it's chopped up already. And then you're just gonna brown that. I already marinated mine overnight, but what I like to do for flavorful, to make it more flavorful, is I do add some seasoning to it. So what I do is I do add this kind of seasoning. It's in the Mexican aisle of any store. It's called meat seasoning, Don Sazon, I think that's what it's called. But I do use this, and I mix it with some orange juice. It gives it a lot.
But it can be any type of meat seasoning, right?
Yeah, it can be any type of meat, as long as it has flavor to it, and you just flavor it however you like. As you can see now, our meat has got browned. I added a little bit of salsa to it just for flavor. If you do not like hot salsa, you can go to your Mexican market and pick up some green salsa. It's salsa verde. And you can just ask them for it and they'll be able to show you what it is. But I added it for flavor. So after you turn off your meat, let it sit for a while, you're going to come over here to your cutting board, get your knife. You're going to wash your cilantro and green onions. This is a little bit of stuff that they put on the taco. And you're going to just chop up the cilantro in little pieces. So you're just going to chop it. Make it as small as you can. I like to make it a little bit not that small, because I do put it on top of the tacos, and then you're going to push it to the side, and you're going to get your green onions. And it's okay if they mix together, because you're going to go on the tacos together. So then you're just going to cut the green onions in little pieces. Make sure you don't cut your fingers. And then the big pieces you took to the side, and then you're done. Okay, so then we come back over to a stove. We pour a little tiny bit of oil, not a lot of oil, please. You just want to brown the tortilla. You don't want to soak it in there, because it will fall apart. But the only reason we put this oil in here in the pan is so that the tortilla gets brown and it doesn't fall apart when you're making your taco.
And that's the key in the touch. You get it nice and a slight crisp to it, and it makes a whole lot of difference to your tacos.
So what I like to do is I do use my hands, but I do wash my hands. But I like to kind of like rub the tortilla on the oil, just so that it's kind of gets the oil all smushed up in there.
Saturates.
Yeah, saturates. Sorry. You do not have to use your hands. If you're scared of fire, if you're not, you know, you don't have to use them. You can use some.
I use a spatula because I'm scared of oil and fire.
Yeah, so you can use some
use
tongs.
use whatever is at hand. Again, we're not professionals. She's just a mom that cooks for the family, a wife that knows how to cook, and it's for you guys that maybe know how to cook tacos, but it just gives you a different insight of how we cook tacos. And it's quick and easy, and if you don't normally cook tacos, do it. A Taco Tuesday for your family. You'll turn Mexican for a day, so you'll be able to show them you know how to make tacos. Surprise your friends, family, whatever it is. It's real quick and easy.
So I'm going to do it Joey's way. And I'm going to get my spatula, and I'm going to turn it over.
Just like if it's a pancake.
Just like a pancake, just like if you're making what is it called, man? Like the sunny side up. Sunny side up. So you're gonna wait until the tortilla is brown. Do not make it into a hard shell.
Not a tostada. We're not making tostadas this time.
It has to be like soft. You know what I mean? And then
just a slight crunch.
Then when that's done like that, you're gonna move it over to here, like into your thing. I'm gonna make 3 of them because I'm kind of fat. So now that we have our tortillas, we're gonna get a little bit of carne asada, your beef steak that we cooked up, and we're going to put it onto the tortilla. There we go. Put as much meat as you want, as long as it's, on the tortilla. And then you're going to grab the stuff that you cut up, the cilantro and the green onion, and you're just gonna decorate them, make them pretty. So you're gonna put a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here.
And of course, if you don't like cilantro or
you don't have to use it.
Onion, yes, make the taco to your liking.
Please do not force yourself to eat it if you do not like it. And then we bought some queso fresco. It is Mexican cheese. You get it at the Mexican store. It's really good. Really
best
good.
one
The best one is the Don Francisco.
Yes.
So you're gonna get a clean rag, and you just clean off your knife so that you don't contaminate things. And you're going to cut your cheese. You're gonna sprinkle it on top.
Cut the cheese.
Oops. Sorry.
No, your queso fresco, Joey.
I know.
And you're gonna sprinkle
That
it
was
on
a dad joke.
on top. Yeah, bad one. And then, if you like salsa, like I like salsa, you're gonna grab your fine china, my plastic spoon, and you're gonna get the salsa, and you're gonna make it look pretty on top. Pretty on top. But then we can't forget the crema. It's sour cream, Mexican sour cream. You buy it at the Mexican store. You can use regular sour cream if you like. And then you just put a dollop of Daisy.
Or they can use regular sour cream.
That's what I just said.
Oh, you I'm so focused on recording.
And look how beautiful that looks. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. Let me get a napkin.
Simple, but yet satisfying.
Wait, I gotta get a napkin real quick, guys. I gotta clean up the salsa on the side. And you're gonna serve this to your friends. You're gonna serve it to your family. You're gonna serve it to whoever.
And it'll make you look like a real Hispanic cook.
Yes, it'll make you look like you know what you're doing.
Simple, easy, quick, and that's the point of these tacos.
Who wants a taco? Yeah, I know. Tacos, we're going crazy.
So that's how you make the tacos. And like I said,
Let's see if Joey likes them.
of course, I'm Taco King.
Ah, it's falling apart.
It's not supposed to fall apart.
Oh, the meat's falling out.
Oh yeah, because you stuffed yours. And the tortilla holds it together. It does not rip. These are good. And like I said, enjoy. Comment in the comment section what you think. Hopefully you like our content. Like I said, we're new at this, doing this whole cooking thing. And before I end this, make sure you smash that like button. And I also want to say, check out an awesome cooking channel we watch, which is called the Walt Twins. It's under our featured channels, and go check them out. We watch them. They do cooking. They're like us, not professional, but they get down and they grill. They do everything, and so go see them. I'm gonna put a link here, and you'll be able to see it and be able to go to them. Go subscribe to them. They're up and rising creators, friends of ours, and hopefully you enjoy their content too. And make sure you go subscribe and show love, turn on the notification and all that stuff. See, I got food all over my mouth. But with that said, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Watch our next video that we drop soon, and we will bring more content.